Okay, let's run the one-way repeated ANOVA together. First, let's check the data file quickly. It's pretty straightforward. We have the data collected at 3 time points. One is at pre-test, then post-test, then the follow-up test. To run the repeated ANOVA, we should go to Analyze, General Linear Model, Repeated Measures. The first step here is to define the within subject factor name. We can name it based on our preference. For instance, here we have 3 time points. We could use time. Or if we have 3 conditions, we can use condition or another name based on your preference. So we have how many levels? It's the number of time points here is 3 levels. We need to click add, so it can be added to the modeling process. Then we click define. Now we go to the testing window here. The first step is to add the within subjects variables. So we can add them one by one. Please make sure that they are entered in the correct order. Yeah, it does not make sense to move, like say, follow up to the second place. Yeah, so just move them in based on the time the data is collected. We'll leave the rest blank, so there is no between subject factors in the one-way repeated ANOVA. There is no covariance as well. So for these options, we'll keep most of them as default again. A few changes we'll make together. First, I wanted to plot how the outcome score changes across time points. So I come here, click time, move it to the horizontal axis. Don't forget to add it. We can do a line chart or bar chart. Click continue. Okay, for the post hoc tests, in SPSS, the post hoc test window is for the between subject post hoc comparison. So as here we don't have any between subject factors, so we will not use that. In order to run the post hoc test for the within subject variables, which is the 3 time points scores, we should go to the EM means, move time to displays means for time, and then we want to compare the mean effects. There are 3 options here. We will just use the Bonferroni. Click continue. Finally, let's go to options to make a manner change. We want to run the descriptive statistics to help with the results interpretation. Click continue. Then we click OK to run the test. Now we can move to the output window to review all the tables and one figure